Unity is a thing that seeketh to take the place of truth, and yet it is a thing that truth cannot be without.
Bacon argues that religious unity preserves the church's health and prevents scandals that drive away many potential believers.
Religion being the chief band of human society. It is a happy thing when itself is well contained within the true band of unity.
True peace within religion reflects God's own nature, fostering a stable environment for both the state and soul.
There are two swords amongst Christians, the spiritual and temporal, and both have their due office and counsels for the preserving of religion.
However, unity must not be forced through extreme means that compromise the fundamental integrity of the Christian faith.
The quarrels and divisions about religion were evils unknown to the heathen.
He distinguishes between essential points of doctrine and those minor rituals which do not define a true believer. Excessive detail in minor controversies often leads to unnecessary divisions that weaken the overall strength of the church. Bacon warns against using religion as a pretext for political rebellion or the overthrow of established civil governments. The sword of the Spirit should never be replaced by the physical sword of human cruelty and bloody persecution. Two false extremes exist: blind devotion without any reason and a chaotic liberty that rejects all necessary authority. Wisdom lies in finding a balanced middle ground where peace and truth can coexist without destroying each other.
Unity is a thing that seeketh to take the place of truth, and yet it is a thing that truth cannot be without.
Ultimately, religious harmony benefits the entire commonwealth by ensuring social stability and a shared sense of divine purpose.